Is Kerberos Authentication Package crashing because of the Kerberos Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin our Kerberos library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Kerberos library, the core Kerberos Authentication Library. It manages localized secure ticket granting handshakes for localized domain logins. It facilitates localized identity verification between localized client machines and the localized Active Directory AD controller. Corruption results in localized login failed or trust relationship broken errors. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Kerberos is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Kerberos library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online/cleanup-image//restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Kerberos Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Kerberos library references. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Kerberos library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.